ucapan Sumpah Presiden Republik Indonesia.
Saya bertekad memimpin pemerintah Republik Indonesia yang bersih.
Miss. What? Touch me again and I'll tell you who I am. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Karina Diviasari and my student ID is 632400633. Let's go to the topic. Okay guys, you know who he is? He is the new Indonesian President, Prabowo Subianto. And I want to tell you about my opinion regarding the new President Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto. One of the things I like about our new president is his focus on economic growth and job creation. With Indonesian largely young population, jobs are essential. I also like his focus on education. Investing in school can create a smarter, future-ready generation. Lastly, his commitment to protecting the environment is also commendable. Indonesia is rich in natural resources, so steps for sustainable development are needed to protect our nature. Overall, I believe our new president has the potential to bring positive change to Indonesia. Although there are still things that need to be fixed, the goals he conveyed are heading in the right direction. I hope this leadership can shape a better future for Indonesia. Thank you so much.
Saya bertekad memimpin pemerintah Republik Indonesia yang bersih. Yang tidak mau bersama saya, pinggir.
My turn.
Prabowo tidak akan mungkin bersedia menjadi presiden boneka.
Kokoh dalam pendirian dan juga memiliki kekuasaan yang tidak bisa disetir.
And now, I want to tell you about the material that I choose to explain to you guys. The material is using modals to make requests, polite language with modals. Introduce modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express ability, permission, or request. Common modals used for requests include can, could, will, would, and may. Why use modals for requests? Modal make language sounds more polite, helping to express requests in a respectful way. They soften the tone and convey politeness. Common modals for requests. The primary modals for requests are can, could, will, would, and may. Using can for requests. Can is used for straightforward, informal requests. It is used to ask permission and to ask someone to do something for us. Example, can you help me with this text? Formality level of can. Can is casual and commonly used with friends, family, or colleagues in an informal setting. Now, using could for request. Could is more polite and formal than can, often suitable for workplace or polite setting. Example, could you please send me the report? Formal level of could. Could is express respect and politeness, ideal for both formal and informal situations. Using will for request. Will is used for direct but polite requests, especially when the speaker has an expectation of help. Example, will you attend the meeting tomorrow? And formally level of will is natural to polite, often used with people you know or when asking for assistance expense to be fulfilled. Using would for request. Would is the most polite and formal modals, often used to show respect and courtesy. Example, I would like a glass of water, please. Formally level of would. Would convey the highest level of politeness, suitable for formal or respectful situation. Using may for request. May is the most formal way to ask for permission, often used to show respect in the polite or professional settings. Example, may I speak with you for a moment? Formality level of may. May is highly formal, typically reserved for respectful or professional interaction. Now, comparison of modal politeness. Order of politeness from least to most. The least is can and the most is may. Example of can in the request. This is the more example using can. Can you pass me the file? Can you close the door? And now example of could in request. More example is, could you let me know the schedule, or could you assist with this text? Example of will. This is more example. Will you join us for the event? Or will you finish this by Friday? Example of would. In request, more example using would. Would you mind if I borrow your book? Or would you please review my document? Example of may. The last but not least, may I leave earlier today? Or may I borrow your pen? Formality review and modal in request. Recap modals in order of politeness. Use can for casual requests. Use could for polite, respectfully requests. Use will for polite but direct requests. Use would for very polite or formal requests. Use may for formal requests, typically when asking for permission or making a very respectful request. And that's it, the material that I choose to learn and to let you know what I learned. Thank you guys for your attention, and thank you for listening me. Goodbye. I am Karina Diviasari. Goodbye.